Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Today we have two amazing DIYs, a nourishing face mask and refreshing ice cubes. Well, let's get started. This mask is super hydrating and perfect for all skin types. Here's what you'll need: 1 teaspoon of green tea powder, 2 teaspoons of yogurt. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients together until you get a smooth paste. Before applying any face mask, you should clean your face with warm water to open pores and remove dirt, oil, and makeup. This prepares your skin to absorb the mask's benefits effectively. Apply the mixture evenly to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. Apply the mask and let it sit for about 20 minutes while you relax. This mask is packed with probiotics from yogurt that nourish your skin, while green tea soothes and hydrates. Rinse it off with warm water and enjoy that fresh glow. Now let's move to the second recipe. Green tea is known for its antioxidants, plus anti-inflammatory and soothing properties. Freeze green tea for the ultimate anti-inflammatory tool to depuff, tone, increase circulation, and help heal skin flare-ups. Brew 1 tablespoon of green tea in boiling water. Once cool, pour the cooled green tea into an ice cube tray. Place the tray in the freezer and let it freeze overnight. Start with a clean face. Wash away any makeup or impurities. Once frozen, pop out a green tea ice cube, wrap it in a thin cloth or use it directly, if it's not too cold, and gently rub it over your face in circular motions. Spend extra time on areas that are puffy or inflamed. Use the ice cube for about 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse your face with water and pat dry with towel. After using the ice cube, apply your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. This ice cube reduces puffiness. The cold helps constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling, tightens pores, helps minimize the appearance of pores, soothes irritation. Great for calming inflamed or sensitive skin, boosts circulation, enhances blood flow, giving your skin a natural glow. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.